So you're going along and you've got this nice, beautiful spreadsheet, and all of a sudden one of these guys appears. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. The short answer of what's causing this error is that you're trying to divide by 0, which is mathematically impossible, according to this guy. So in my example here, you can see that I've got an item description, the quantity of an item, and then the value, and where the divided by 0 error is occurring, the quantity for some reason got cleared out, which is why it's throwing the error. Luckily for us, the solution is super straightforward. I just need to enter some sort of quantity where there is a blank. So right here, I can just put 555, click enter, and then automatically the error goes away. Keep in mind that you're not only going to get this error in situations where the cell is blank. Right here, I actually have a quantity, but I just typed out zeros instead of completely clearing out the cell, and I'm still getting the same error. So because this error is pretty straightforward to solve just by entering some data where it's missing, the top way that I would recommend fixing it is clicking into the cell where the error is occurring. Look up at the formula bar, and in that formula bar, it's going to show you every single cell that's within the formula. From here, it's a little bit manual, but you just kind of need to check what is in each cell and then determine where the 0 or the blank space is and then fix it. So here you can see D5 and C5. When I look at my data, C5 is where it's missing. That's all I got here. It's a pretty easy error to fix. Make sure you're giving the video that you're watching a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm new to YouTube and it really helps me out a lot. If you have any questions, put it in the chat below. Thanks for watching.